So where does this go? Where is this going then, Brian?
Well, just pull it through. It's a loop at the moment.
I'll pull a lock through it, yeah. That's it going. And you're saying that these go to the rear power board, is that correct?
Yes. For the other end. Whoa.
That's enough on that one.
Let me see how much slack there is at the other end.
Yes, it'd be a shame not to be able to actually solder it onto anything.
Pull about another foot through.
That much?
Yeah.
Okay.
That'll do it.
Alright, so we're going to lay that nice and neatly. And we go. Now, where's the next access hole? Is it where John's foot is?
It's on the John's foot here.
Okay. So that's his tab. Yeah, it does look okay.
Ah dear, why aren't I as flexible as I used to be? You wait.
Yeah, I think it's creeping up on me already. I've got that. So I go underneath the jump position. It's only 5 minutes ago we were taking all this stuff out.
Yeah. Now go a bit slower.
Slower, yeah, okay. Something's separated, I think, those individual.
Yeah, and I was going to feed those two independently.
Yeah.
We're nearly there.
Are we? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. So when?
Yeah, relax.
Yeah, alright. So we're just going to curl up the loom under here for the time being then.
Yeah.
Just sort of.
I would curl it in the other tray, I think, at this stage.
Okay, so you're not using
well,
it.
there's something to be installed there.
Right.
At some point.
Which way does it turn?
Yeah, the other way. They always turn the other way.
Right, take two.
This is the moment of truth, the unveiling. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Ta-da!
Well, that's not what I expected. How nice.
So here we have the main input cables, the normal and standby, and this is the changeover switch arrangement, and it's got a cunning sliding door so that you can only turn one on at once. So although you can change over between your main and reserve supply, it's not instant by any means. And there's a test button for the earth leakage breaker, the 3 automatic voltage regulator bypass switches, the polarity indicator, the night and normal changeover. So here there is a night supply input, a 15 amp night supply input, which runs the heaters and the battery charger and the lights when this is in the night position. And it has its own circuit breaker, and this little area here is the reserve battery supply for the lighting. When you're operating normally, it enables the inverter to automatically fire up, or you can make it run if you wish. And that's the external 50 Hertz reference to lock the vehicle to the local generator mains, or some signal perhaps from a remote point. These are the external outputs to in this case the commentary positions, commentator 1 and commentator 2, standard regulated supplies for feeding external equipment, 2 unregulated supplies for external equipment. The mains night supply input connector, as previously mentioned, and this one is another locking input. It provides mains to 50 Hertz, at 50 Hertz to 6.3 volts in that position for locking the SPGs. And the final two connections are this one, which is an unregulated output, and this is an interesting one, the Artist Q. There's a switch on the production secretary's desk which powers this up to light a light so that the artist can panic about speaking or not.
And
I was going to edge light them with LEDs.
oh yes, I saw that. That doesn't sound very original.
No.
Isn't that a
Yes.
It used to be what doctors and dentists used to have a brass nameplate.
Who'd have thought that this would be quite as complicated as all that? That's interesting. That's quite a lot of static on it as well. I'm cutting the lower layer. Oh, right.
There's another drawer.
Me? Oh, I don't do smiling.
Oh, is it?
Oh. I just run up and down the stairs.
Stainless steel. Give them stainless steel. I mean, it takes no weight as such. All it's doing is holding it down the plate. Like to try and find a sort of on the left there. Yeah, chassis. That one.
That's the oil filter.
Yeah. He said they had to wait for it.
Oh, is it?
If it moves, salute it. If it
Sorry,
doesn't move, maintain it.